Baby girl, you're so fine, I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need. When I'm down, lift me up with your company. There's no telling what you want me creating.
Oh, are you vlogging the trip?
I am. Is it cold or what?
Oh, you gonna vlog it?
I'll vlog it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna be
My
featured.
Oh shit, it's cold, man.
No, it's like it's fresh air, but it's just it's cold. Like
It's fucking freezing. But oh, nah, can't do it. Can't do it.
guys, I'm landing in Iceland. I want to go back to Mexico. It's so cold, guys.
Even the driver is cold. Wow. But this is us.
My let's go this way.
Everybody asked me if I needed a booster seat. Yeah, you is small.
No.
Not the organizer of the trip.
You big girl.
Girl, you're the oldest one.
Hey guys, so surprise, surprise, I'm in Iceland. Just landed and I'm reunited with a few friends. Yeah. Say hi guys. But yeah, we're just checking in now. It is very, very cold. It is, what is it, -4, -5? -8, yeah. So it's very different to the last trip, but you know, new experiences in that. But yeah, good at So guys, we're here for Aya's birthday.
I'm shaking already.
She's gonna be 25. 17. Per. How y'all feeling?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Wait guys, you have to introduce yourselves.
Hi, my name is Maiwa. That's what my accent. And my name is Maiwa. I'm from Ireland. I'm Nigerian.
Okay.
I'm 23 years old.
Whoa, Jenny. Enemy of progress.
But yeah,
Alright.
that's me, really. That's me.
How's the birthday girl? Introduce yourself.
I am 25. I'm turning 25.
Turning 25. Not yet, not yet.
My name is Aya.
Per.
CV name Joy. Because you know. But we still get the money.
Nah, you guys are never going back on this channel ever again.
Her name is Ayomide. Also, my name is Maiwa. I didn't pronounce it properly. Mayowa. That's what
That is their last and final appearance. So this is our little cozy room. I'm sharing with Maya. It's only 2 people in this room, and then the rest of them have a room upstairs. Cute.
Oh my god, guys, you have to take the Icelandic pledge.
What's that?
What's that?
I pledge to be a responsible tourist. When I explore new places, I will leave them as I find. I will take pictures.
So first night in Iceland, and we're gonna have some dinner, and then we're gonna go on a really cool Northern Light tour on a boat. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you with us. Hopefully this camera can capture like the Northern Lights well. But I think it will be. This is a good camera, you know. I want you guys to see. I want you guys to see. It's one of the like 8 wonders of the world, I think, isn't it? So the Northern Lights. Yeah, we'll go with that. So hopefully it lives up to expectations, but we'll have dinner first. To go on a yacht tour of the Northern Lights.
I am so cold, guys. So cold.
It's a little cold.
It's a little cold.
Just a tad bit cold.
Just a tiny bit, guys. It's freezing, but it's fine. Let's go on a journey. Hold on. Imagine falling. LMAO. See what you can do. Okay, we see you, night mode. Guys, so I'm here trying to do some David Attenborough for you, but we're here with the Northern Lights. You can't see them yet, but they're coming. It's currently, I don't know, minus 10, minus 8 degrees, but yeah, it's very cold. Yeah, we're on a boat, actually a super yacht. Say hi. Turn the lights to your face, babe. There you go. There you go. It's very dark. It's very dark. Anyway, try and get them for you. All right.
Waiting for the northern lights to
so
like happen, like for the brightness to like show up. Because apparently you can't see it, but not with the naked eye.
Yeah.
So we're just waiting for it to become more prominent. So
on,
yeah, we're excited.
So guys, it's really cold, but we are here in Iceland. We were supposed to see the Northern Lights today, but it's actually really dark and I haven't seen any of the Northern Lights. Maybe the camera will pick it up, but for now, it's not working. I want to do like a whole like David Attenborough type documentary, like, you know, you can see like the sharks in the ocean and the lights and... What am I talking about, Jenny?
It's the cold talking. It's the cold talking.
I literally got hypothermia just for pictures, but the pictures were worth it.
It's worth it. And they look fire. Look at the view.
I wonder if I could actually get the Northern Lights on my phone. I don't see the Northern Lights. I see stars, but we don't see the Northern Lights, guys. When I was in Finland, I literally saw patches of it, but not today. We just don't see it today, guys. But that's okay. Maybe next time. Oh, it actually looks so cute.
You look really cute. With
Aww.
the strands, yeah. Sorry, not the strands, you know what I mean. Guys,
Guys, look how I'm going to bed. I've got my pajamas on. I have my scarf on under my hat. Got my hat on, and I've got my jacket on. Guys, when I tell you it is freezing here, it is freezing here. You don't even need to use setting spray or powder for your makeup because it will literally stay. Like, don't play with Iceland. It is freezing. All right, good night, y'all. Hey guys.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's currently 9 a.m. and we're outside Reykjavik.
Yeah.
We're starting our tour today. We're going to Golden Circle and Blue Lagoon. But as you can see, it's pitch black.
Pitch black.
The sun doesn't rise till 11 a.m.
Like 4 hours.
And it sets at like 3. So yeah, we're gonna go around. I want to take you around, but it's really, really cold right now. It's minus 11 degrees, but we love it. You know, it's beautiful scenes. Beautiful
I see
scenes.
girls on tour.
I see girls on tour 2022 December. You know what our tour guide kept on saying? He kept on saying, "Why did you come here in December? Like, why would you come to Iceland in December?" They were even confused.
Why not?
They were even confused.
Why
so let's go. So those are our tour buses. We're just gonna walk the ground's quite icy. But we've got proper footwear for that. Maya was there decked up like she's going to the moon. Okay, I need to go because my hands are flipping cold. Okay, I don't think you really understand. Like, we're literally like on like an expedition. Aya's here as our lead musketeer. Say hi, Aya.
Hello.
She's even focused here.
Oh wow, okay. Where's the light?
So how you feeling? How cold is it, babe?
It's like minus 15.
Okay, minus 10.
No, but the thing
But-
is, it's minus 10, but it feels like minus 15. Like, so it's cold.
Guys, the only reason it's bright is because I have my light. Like, it's really not bright.
We're in
Like, if I
darkness.
take it off, look how dark we are. Oh, I love the way my camera still adjusts.
Yeah. I love that.
But yeah, it's really dark. But it's very beautiful. Guys, this is literally what you see in movies. It's actually beautiful. So the sun has finally rose and we are now at the geysers of Iceland. And it is very beautiful, but look at the sky behind me. So I'm gonna show you. And I can smell the volcanic like material. You know that sulfuric smell? I can definitely smell it here. But it's so beautiful. This is coming out of the ground, guys. So guys, we're at one of the national geysers of Iceland. It's just in the middle there. It erupted 2 seconds ago. I didn't get it on camera. But it's completely beautiful. I just can't get over the ice and then the beautiful skyline. It's stunning. Look at that. It's just a dream. And all that. It's crazy being on like volcanic earth. Like, could erupt any second. How can we all talk about the trip, please?
It's going so well,
Yeah.
extremely well. It's so pretty. We're at the geysers right now, or geysers? Geysers. It's so pretty. The view, the geysers are just erupting and everything. Wow. And it smells like
Sulfur.
It's sulfur, yes.
Sulfur.
Yeah, very, like,
That's the.
sulfur,
It's
yeah.
they're all volcanic like earth. But I'm gonna wait here and get the geyser for you. I'm gonna wait for it to erupt because it's beautiful.
I got it for sure.
Guys, so I'm here in the Blue Lagoon. It's very, very cold, but I'm literally loving it. Loving life. She always wakes up like that. Jenny genuinely misses cuddling me. She does.
say no, camera.
Guys, we're here. Why are you always waving like that?
I'm just awkward. I don't know what to say.
Anyway, it is day 3 and we're gonna have some dinner. The light is awful here, but waiting for the girls. Happy birthday, dear Aya. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, thank you, Bobby. Thank you.
Make a wish.
We wish you
Many happy returns of the day. Long life and prosperity. Hip hip hip. Hooray. Yup, yup, yup. Yup, yup. Big 25.
25.
Yeah, but like because like Americans say.
Thank you, guys. Who did that? Who?
Miss Jen.
We all did it.
Morning, guys. So we're here on our last full day in Iceland
and we've decided to go Christmas markets today. The girls are gonna go ice skating, but I'm definitely not. It is very icy. It snowed. Let me show you what we're facing. Like, this is what we have to walk in. Pure ice. So you have to be very careful. I feel like someone's gonna fall today. Hopefully not. You haven't been in the vlog in a while, sis.
I know,
What's going on?
Girl, I've been enjoying my holiday. I should.
They're going ice skating. We're going to
ice skating.
Wait.
This is ice skating. No, that's like, no. Like, you're actually out. No, I'm not ice skating. I'm just gonna look around shops. Probably get some like mulled wine and stuff.
Oh, careful. Stay on the path.
Yeah.
So cute. This is wild.
We in Iceland.
Like, we don't even need to go ice skating, like Jenny said. We're ice skating. How did Jenny say this is ice skating? Actually, get out.
No, it is. If you're in there, like.
So, guys, I'm here with a newly minted birthday girl. Her. How are you feeling? How does it feel to be in Iceland on your birthday?
I feel 25. It feels good.
You outed yourself, not me.
Oh yes, of course. You gotta hype yourself. Is anything so far I've learned?
I love that I can't even put us together because we're so different in height. But we're going to the church now. Christmas markets were a flop. But yeah, hopefully this is a bit better. What do you want to find?
A nice candle shop. Or a place that sells candles. That'd be very nice.
Guys, the question of the day, where is Jenny? We've lost someone. We've lost Jenny. No, literally, where is she? Hope she hasn't fallen and tumbled down the long way down.
Oh, I see her coming.
Is she there?
I see her coming.
Where?
No, she's literally slipping down there.
Oh shit. Jenny! You can do it, Jenny! Reunited.
Finally.
Finally. We actually look so good. The sun is hitting.
I know. Show them the church.
Who cares about, I mean, yeah.
Who cares about the church? Because that's
in
the
church.
church.
It's actually massive. Beautiful. Anyway, back to the main event.
Wait, is your flight?
And a song for the Christmas tree.
Oh man.
It's so Christmassy.
It is really Christmassy. I feel like it got colder also, but I have never felt like so winter wonderland in my life. I feel really Christmassy for some weird reason.
Christmas tree.
Hey girls, raise your hands if you're stranded in Iceland.
Not me. I'm here.
Raise your hands.
I'm here on
if
an
you're stranded in
extended.
Iceland. What?
I'm gonna redo. Guys, we're on national television.
Oh,
We should- oh, yeah, let me- we should get-
Oh yeah.
And
Yeah,
let's check that
show us
video.
that video. Let me put it. Let me show.
Nice. What are you looking at?
Guys, not us on the news. Being, well, I wasn't there, but the girls. Not us on the news being stranded in Iceland.
That's all scary. Look at me. My 10 seconds of fame.
Fun and
quick update because Ejiro is not feeling well. She's kind of incapacitated right now. Because, the weather's kind of got her.
Shy.
The weather kind of got her all like, she's not feeling good. She's sick. But yeah, we're still in Iceland. We're stuck, stranded. But 3 days later, we are actually flying out tomorrow. So yay! I've never missed Dublin so much. Like the cold shit is different. Can't lie. But no, we're excited to go back. I don't know. We've just kind of been in this hotel, which is in the middle of nowhere. So we're very much isolated. It's giving imprisonment. It's giving. Yeah, and I don't know what I was arrested for. So, anyways, but freedom. We're going on a freedom flight tomorrow. So, yeah, shout out Harry and Meghan. So we're super excited. Yeah, but despite us being stranded in this country where like this is normal to have like this like snowstorm and everything, but like they didn't just have like a contingency plan that could like help us out, those that are tourists that come here. But anyways, despite everything that's happening, we had a good time regardless, and time to go home. So yeah, see y'all on the flip side. Edgy will get back to y'all when she's feeling well and everything. But yeah, keep her in your prayers right now, because yeah, the climate change really got her. I finished that, but she gonna be well soon because she popping. So anyway, bye guys.